you imagine your life without pranks? No? Then find a new prank compilation in this video. Do you like the Cinderella fairy tale? Imagine your friend as the main character, though she'll lose her 2 flip-flops instead of 1 glass slipper. You'll have to buy the same flip-flops that she has, cut the fastening off the straps, replace her flip-flops for the special ones. She puts them on and tries to walk. Oops! Oh heck! My flip-flops have torn, the brand new ones! I'll have to go barefoot. How can I return home? Now it's your turn. You should tell her the truth and give her the flip-flops back. She'll be really happy. Nothing makes you happier than getting back the thing you thought was lost. Just look. She's not angry with you. But it doesn't mean I won't pay her back. I'm going to add a little sand to her drink. Put brown sugar in a Ziploc bag. Hammer it up. The sugar looks like sand. We can even mold it into something. Just look. You can't tell which is what. This is regular sand, and this is brown sugar. They look very much alike. Now wait until she wants to drink her lemonade. Take her cup and add the special sand to her drink. She doesn't understand what's going on. Even if she looks closer, she'll be far from understanding. The loose sugar looks exactly like the usual sand. Stir well and drink. She's at a loss. She doesn't know what to think. Offer her a taste. She wouldn't agree at first, but she's too curious and overcomes her disgust, especially since she doesn't find any sand on the bottom. Everything becomes clear when she tastes her drink. My friend's never tasted seaweed. Me neither, but she doesn't know about it. I'll make her believe I adore the weird food, though actually, I'd better tell it in due order. We'll need a double-layer lunchbox. Put edible seaweed, like laminaria, in the bottom layer. Cover it with the top. Collect green seaweed you can find on the rocks. What a smell! I offer her the seaweed from the top layer as if unintentionally. She believes I am kidding. Shift the top layer a little to take the edible stuff from the bottom. She's shocked and can't believe her eyes. I hope she wouldn't like to taste it. Oh no! My fears turned vain. She's too squeamish. Oh, I must have overdone it. She nearly fainted. I love to replace makeup. It's one of my favorite pranks. This time, I'll substitute her sunscreen lip balm. I'll have to buy the same lip care product she has. Remove the balm from the container. Clean it with a Q-tip. Melt white chocolate. Place it in a bowl of water to prevent its burning and put it in a microwave. Fill the container with the melted chocolate. Clean it. Put on the top and place it in a freezer. Replace the balm. My friend doesn't suspect anything. The white chocolate looks exactly like the sunscreen lip balm. She tries to apply it on her lips, but she fails. What's wrong? The smell is strange. I help her understand. I bite a piece. Tasty. Oh dear, I wish she could see her face. It's my turn to prank her. Last time she tried to make me believe she could eat the awful green seaweed. This time, I'll make her think I like eating makeup. Is your friend terrified of bugs? Set a cute one on her head. Offer for her to take a selfie. Tidy up her hair and carefully set a toy bug on her head. She doesn't notice anything at first. Then she turns her head and sees the bug. I never thought she could scream so loudly. I know her weak points as well. I'll place a spider where she least expects to see it. Use a black marker to draw a spider on a roll of toilet paper. The more realistic it looks, the more effective the result will be. Replace the toilet paper roll. Okay, let's listen. She's seen it! I'd better run away. Do you want to get a snack? Offer your friend a special sandwich. You'll have to make it in advance. Wrap a plain good sandwich in plastic wrap. Draw black spots on. Ugh! They look like dirt or mold. Make a few wraps more to make the spots look as if they are on the bread, not on the wrap. Treat your friend. She takes it eagerly at first, but gives it back as soon as she sees the disgusting spots on it. Okay, I'll eat it if you don't want to. Unwrap the sandwich a bit and start eating. Your friend is shocked. How can I eat this stuff? I reveal the secret and we laugh together. I got ready for a picnic as well. I have an unusual salt shaker. Tear off a piece of paper napkin of the top size. Place it to cover the holes and put on the top. It works! She tries to salt her sandwich, but fails. She blows in the holes in vain. Finally, she takes off the top. Meanwhile, I couldn't miss the opportunity to eat the sandwich I refused so carelessly. It's actually tasty. She likes taking pictures. Let her worry about her smartphone camera. Shade a piece of thin, clear tape with a blue marker. Tape the camera. Remove the excess color, leaving it on the camera only. Dark blue won't be visible on the dark camera. Check how it works. Perfect! Everything is so blue! Ask your friend to take a picture of you on her phone. She turns on the camera, but there's something wrong with it. It seems there's some blue light filter on. Finally, she guesses who is to blame. Well, I'll also make her worry. She works on her notebook all day long and doesn't notice anybody around. Let her think I've spilled my nail polish onto her precious device. Squeeze hot glue on a piece of plastic. Cut it out. Paint it with nail polish. Place an empty vial of the same nail polish. Add a dried brush. Perfect! It looks exactly like the real stuff. Sit next to your friend, painting your nails. As soon as she goes out, place the fake pool of nail polish on her keyboard. Don't forget the bottle and the brush. She's horrified. But as soon as she touches the pool, her shock fades away. She sighs with relief, but I did manage to make her worry. I love clothes pranks. I'm going to work on her jacket. Attach double-sided tape to the inside. Press both sides to attach. She's cold. Let her try to put on her jacket. Oh God! Okay, my friend. I'll remember your tricks. After brushing, your teeth turn black? They do in this prank. Squeeze black gel coloring into the center of the toothbrush near the base of the bristles. In the morning, your friend goes to the bathroom half asleep. She doesn't expect any tricks right now. She brushes her teeth and suddenly sees herself in the mirror. She's shocked. Black teeth? That's too much. She'll have to rinse them for a long time. I'll pay her back. Let her turn the tap on. Cover it with a coin. Tape it to attach. Here she comes. She turns on the tap. A fountain! The water has splashed all over her dress. Aha! That's the point. I thought the tap's been broken. No, I still can't forgive her for my black teeth. Let her feel like I did. I'm going to give her a sponge to make her dirty. Make a cut in a sponge. Take out a part of the abrasive layer. Add the black gel coloring in. Hot glue. The sponge looks plain when dry. But as soon as it gets wet, let's look how it works in my friend's hands. Place the sponge on the basin. We don't have to wait long. She needs a sponge. She pours some dish soap on, adds water, and squeezes it, and… No, she didn't expect that. She wanted to wash up dishes, but instead, dirty. Does your friend have a sweet tooth? Treat her with fruit instead of candies. Unwrap the candies. Put them away. Replace them with big grapes. Twist the wrappers to hide the grapes. They look exactly like the candies, but they are much healthier. Treat your friend. She thinks she's mistaken at first. There can't be a grape instead of a candy. Then she tastes it. Aha! She likes it! Is your friend crazy about strawberry cream pudding? Cool! I've got a great idea how to prank her. Squeeze some mayonnaise in a bowl. It looks exactly like the milky dessert. Add strawberry. Wow, it looks just like pudding. I pretend to taste her favorite dessert. Aha! She wants it. She takes a spoon and licks her lips. Oops! It's not exactly what she expected. Nothing of the kind. She also likes strawberry. I'll use it in my next prank. Melt chocolate in a microwave. Dip in a few berries. Place them in a bowl. Add black pepper in the rest of the chocolate. Mix well. Cover the strawberry in the peppered chocolate and place them on the other side. Put a big strawberry on top. Don't mix up the berries. Treat your friend. She's alert, expecting me to prank her back. She knows I can't forgive her so easily, but she looks at me eating the tempting strawberry and chocolate and relaxes. She dares to taste it. It's her mistake she immediately regrets. We're even now. Can you remove your makeup with nail polish remover? You can in this prank, but your friend doesn't know about it yet. Clean the nail polish remover bottle. Pour in makeup remover. While she's busy painting her nails, change out her nail polish remover for your special one. Ask your friend to give it to you. She can't refuse. Dip a cotton pad and start removing your makeup. Oh, poor girl! She stares at me and forgets about her nails, so she paints her finger. She smells the cotton pad. There's certainly no scent of the nail polish remover. Then she tries to remove the nail polish, obviously in vain. Choose the pranks from the compilation you liked the most. Prank your friends and enjoy your holidays. Be sure to subscribe, give your thumbs up, and click the bell. Watch new videos together with your friends.